Hello and happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone. So I thought we would do fact reviews about Cinco de Mayo, just for general information, because we reviewed it and we went over it for homeschool today. So here is Camila. Okay, here we are with Camila. She's finishing up her Cinco de Mayo worksheet. So she'll answer a few questions. Okay, first of all, Cinco de Mayo, don't worry about the puppy. Cinco de Mayo, does it celebrate Mexico's independence? No. Was it a battle or a war?
They won a battle, but they lost the war.
That's right. And by they, you mean who? The Mexicans. They won this battle. Yahoo! But lost the war. Boo! Okay, this battle and this war they were fighting, who were they fighting against? France. That's right. There's the little Mexican flag, French flag. Okay, so when did this happen? What year?
1862.
That's right, 1862. Okay, did this happen in Mexico or France?
In Mexico.
In Mexico. Which state in Mexico? Puebla. This happened in Puebla, Mexico. So anyway, it was foreign debt from Mexico to 3 countries: France, England, and a third European country that I can't remember. And Mexico, because they were doing so badly financially. So this was a French-Mexican war, and Mexico just won this battle in Puebla, not the whole war. And this war started because Mexico owed all this money. So anyway, it was foreign debt from Mexico to 3 countries: France, England, and a third European country that I can't remember. And Mexico, because they were doing so badly financially. That was very important and significant because they had around 4,000 soldiers and France had about 6,000, and they still won. So they celebrated, but not that much, not as much as the Mexican independence, of course, from Spain. So nothing new, even back then, but decided not to pay their foreign debt for 2 years. And this is how the whole thing started, but they only went to war with France because of this. But this battle that they won in Puebla, so it's celebrated more here in the U.S. than in Mexico. But there it is. That's quick facts on Cinco de Mayo. But happy Cinco de Mayo. Have so much fun today.